Welcome to Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories. Today is another one of those days where I'm going to be using leftovers to make a spinach, chicken, and tomato pie. Instead of using a traditional pie crust, I am going to be making a crust using bread. And this is what this video is going to be all about. After I get done with this one, I'm going to show you how to assemble and make the pie. Here I have some stale bread that I broke up into chunks. It's about 4 cups. To the bread, I'm going to add 1 egg. Next, I'm going to add a half a cup of carnation milk. Now I'm just going to use my hands and mix all of this together. I want to get the egg and the milk all mixed up and soaked in with the bread. Best thing to use for this is your fingers. Get in there. Oh, you know what? This bread smells amazing. Not only is it delicious, but I didn't know that while I was mixing this, I would get this beautiful aroma from it. So see, this is what the consistency is like. It's wet, but it's not runny. So that, I think, should make a nice crust. So see, let me show you the texture again, because it can hold together like a ball. So, you know, kind of like when you're making a dough. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press it out into the pie plate. I'm going to use a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil to just grease the pie plate. Now I'm going to add the pie crust mixture that I made out of bread to the pie plate. I'm going to use my fingers and just press the bread mixture into the pie plate. I'm doing it just like I would, like if I use like a regular pie dough. I'm making my own crust using this leftover bread. I'm pushing it up the side of the plate as well. So that way we have the formation of a pie, and this is going to hold our spinach mixture. So what I'm doing now is just kind of trying to even out this crust mixture, because I want it to be relatively the same thickness up the sides as well as at the bottom of the pie plate. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. And not to worry if you don't achieve perfect, uniform thickness. You just want to try to do your best and kind of eyeball it, like, you know, remember what regular pie crust would look like, and just try to get it in that shape. So this is what our bread crust looks like right now, and I'm going to pre-bake it in a very hot oven, 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and get it a nice golden brown before we put our filling in. So this is a new cooking adventure because I've never made a pie crust out of bread before, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using this again. Just wanted to give you a preview of what the final product looks like. So I'm going to give the crust a check. It's been 10 minutes now. You know, that looks great. and that aroma, it smells absolutely delicious too. I wanted to do the crust a little bit more than 10 minutes because the sides were nice and firm and crisp, but the bottom was still a little on the soft side. So I just put it back in the oven for about 3 minutes, and now I'm just going to let it cool just a little bit and then put the filling in. Before I fill this, I want to show you what the sides and the bottom of the bread crust look like. So be on the lookout for my next video coming soon, where I'm going to show you how to put this delicious pie together. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories.